Have you ever tried to buy a security camera and felt completely confused? You're not alone. But here's the thing. Most people jump into picking a popular brand without asking the most important questions. We're not gonna focus on brands in this video. Instead, we'll look into 4 real-life factors that actually matter. Budget, camera placement, weatherproofing, capabilities, and functionality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for so you don't spend money on a camera that won't work for your home or business. Let's start with the budget. It might sound obvious, but it's often the biggest factor. When people come to us for advice, the first thing we ask is, what's your budget? That's because features like high-resolution cameras, two-way audio, professional installation for that matter, will cost more than you expect. Here are some things to consider. Match your expectations to your budget, or decide if you can raise your budget to get the features you absolutely need. Ask yourself, do I really need special features like color night vision, deterrent lights, or lenses that zoom in, to name a few? Also, consider whether you'll hire a professional installer or do it yourself. Next, let's talk about placement. This is a detail that many overlook. If you place a camera too high, you might miss the important details like faces or license plates. If it's too low, someone could tamper with it. Placement also affects labor costs. We've helped people save money just by choosing better spots for their cameras. If you consider a Wi-Fi camera, pay attention to how far it is from your router. Too much distance can weaken the signal and hurt performance. Figure out where you need the coverage most, whether it's a front door, backyard, driveway, or business entry, and place your camera at the height and angle to capture what you care about. Third on our list is weatherproofing. This sounds technical, but this is really about making sure your camera can handle climate where you live. Manufacturers use something called IP rating, like IP66 or IP67, to show how well a camera is protected against dust and rain. If you live somewhere with harsh winters, like here in Milwaukee, you need at least an IP67. That way your camera can handle cold temperatures and snow. I learned this the hard way. My doorbell camera stopped working during a deep freeze. Protect your camera's wires and connections. Always purchase the corresponding J-box for your camera. A junction box will hide and protect all the critical wires from the elements. Don't skip this step. It'll save you a lot of headache. Our last factor is capabilities and functionality. This covers options like storing footage in the cloud or a local hard drive, having night vision or two-way audio, and deciding the resolution you need. Examples: 4K, 1080p, or 5 megapixel. Higher resolution doesn't always mean better quality if your cameras aren't good. We've seen a high-quality 1080p camera outperform a cheaper 4K one. So ask yourself, do I need the footage remotely on my phone? Do I want color night vision, or is black and white okay? Is two-way talk important so I can speak to someone at my door? Your answers will help you narrow down the perfect camera for your need. And there you have it, 4 things to consider before buying a security camera: budget, placement, weatherproofing, capabilities, and functionality. If you found this guide helpful and you're ready for professional help, we're here to make it easy for you. Simply fill out the short form below to request a free quote. Our team will review your needs and send a quote, no obligation. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to helping you secure your home or business with confidence.